Alright, hey everybody. So, today I'm going to show you how to host your bot on Heroku. So, this bot is actually already hosted on Heroku. Um, so, yeah, it's just my test bot. But I'm going to be showing you how to do it. It's fairly simple, but make sure you follow every single step, because if you mess something up, then the steps that in the future are going to be messed up. So, just try and follow what I'm doing. So, I'll just create a command, hi, and then I'll just send a message, hello, just so we can test this out. So, the first thing you want to do is install some things, so I will link them in the description. You need to install Atom, which is a text editor. I suggest you use that. And you need to install Git. I will also link that in the description, and you also need to download the Heroku CLI. So, a common mistake that people make is after they download the Heroku CLI, they think that that's done. But no, you need to actually open the Heroku CLI application in order to do this. You need to open it, and then it will be installed. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is, obviously we're in our DBM project. Go to project, open projects directory, and then it will open a folder, and this is my project. It should look something like this. So all you're gonna do is you actually want to open this in a text editor. So let's just go to Atom. You should have that installed. I will link that in the description. So all you're gonna do is open Atom, and you're going to go to the top left, open your bots files, and then you're going to make a proc file, which I will show you how to do. Not too hard. You only need to type one line, and it's fairly simple. So yeah, very, very easy. Plus, this is free, so if you want to go on a budget, then this is for you. So at the top left, we see the file button. I already have my bot project open, but whatever. I'll just close it for now. Alright, we'll just close this up. So at the top left, you see file. Then we're just going to click open folder. And then you need to go find your bot folders. Mine is right here. Select folder. And then a second, it should come up. Yeah, here it is. So here are my bots files. So I already have a proc file, but I'm just going to delete this for the video so I can show you how to do it. Alright, so here you have all your bots files. You have bot.js, package.json, etc. So what you want to do is go to the top where it says your bot name, right click, new file, and then you're going to name this proc file, and enter. And then a new thing will pop up, and all you're going to type in here is worker node bot.js. And that's it. That's all you need to type. Then click File, then Save. And so now you've saved your work, and you can simply exit this. And as you can see, we have a proc file now, so that's great. The next step is we're going to open Google, go to Heroku.com. Alright, so here is the thing that I'm actually hosting it on right now, but I will just delete the app. Alright, so you're going to make a Heroku account. Click New. Create New App. And then I'll just name it what it was before. My Heroku bot Noah, whatever. You don't need to mess with anything here. Just click Create App. So now you've created the app. But now the question is, how do you get your Discord bot, make your project onto here? Well, that's a good question. So this is the part where you need Git. So with Git installed, go back to your project directory, which is just this. Right click on any white space and then click git bash here. Okay, so now this thing should open up. And this is where you also need the Heroku CLI installed. So you're just going to type Heroku login. And then once you've done this, if it says that Heroku is not a command, that means that you have not actually installed the Heroku CLI correctly. So you need to actually run the Heroku CLI. It says press any key to open up the browser or to log in, or Q to exit. So I'll just press anything. I'll just type in E and then enter. And now it'll bring me to this page. Log in. And there we go. We have successfully logged in. So now you're going to type git init. And it will create a Git repository in my... actually, you know what? We may need to actually close this first, because it won't load, so just close that. And then go back here, and then just git bash again. Alright, so we're going to type git init. Git... actually, no, we're going to type Heroku git :remote -a, and then your project name. So my project name is my Heroku bot Noah. Alright, so then we're going to type git add dot. Okay, and then git commit -am. And then any message, you can literally type anything here. I'll just type hi. Doesn't really matter. And now yours should go on forever. It should do this huge thing, and it should take like a few minutes. Since mine was already on Heroku, it won't do that. So then after typing that, after it's finished, type Heroku git push Heroku master. Okay, so now it is going to push it to the Heroku application. I forgot to mention, you will probably get an error, but I will explain that after. It will show up. So go back into your Heroku page, go to view logs. And then in a second, it will say build started. So right now it's just building the source. Build started by user. There we go. And this is where you see all of your bots logs, by the way. Okay, so this is expected. It says state changed from starting to crashed. NPM error, missing script start. This happens for two reasons. And one of the reasons I'm going to show you how to fix. So go back into your folder, your bots folder. If you don't see a folder called actions, then that is why. Go to your local disk, go to Program Files, x86, go to Steam, Steam Apps, where is Steam Apps? There we go, Steam Apps, Common, Discord Bot Maker, and then you need to literally copy this actions folder. Then go back to your bot project, and just paste in your actions folder, and that's all you need to do. And once you do this, go back to your git bash, type git add dot, git commit -am, and then literally any message, git push Heroku master. Okay, and then it should push it, but since I didn't edit anything, it won't. So you need to put the actions folder in here. Okay, and once you've done that, it should be good, but you actually need to go to resources, refresh the page. Then it says web npm start and then worker nodebot.js. Click these two things, turn this off and turn this on, and then just click confirm for both of them. Then you can go to more and then view logs. Start change from starting to up. Bot is ready.